Didn't catch that? Let's take a closer look. A 15.6-inch large display, perfect for drawings, monitoring feeds, and multi-window workflows. No constant switching. The chassis uses high-strength ABS plus PC material with full corner protection, built for handle bumps, drops, and job site condition. But the real power is inside. Powered by Intel Core i5-1235U or i7-1255U processor with Intel Iris X graphics, supports DX12 and AV1 hardware acceleration. From construction site to equipment maintenance, from field inspection to emergency command, N15A smooth and stable.